There are virtually unlimited products and offers out there that you can promote as an affiliate, which is super cool because affiliate marketing is one of the very best ways to make money online. But the flip side of that is that with so many things you can promote, it's really easy to get overwhelmed with deciding what you want to promote and how you should be promoting it. Well, hey, I'm Leah Ray from ToddandLeahRay.com, social media marketing expert and online entrepreneur. And in this video, we will be walking you through our 3 super simple steps to figure out exactly what the best affiliate marketing offers are for you to promote and the best way to promote them so you can start making money as fast as possible. All right, so exactly how do you find the best affiliate offers to promote and what is the best way to promote them? As we dive into this, I just want to let you know that we have some awesome videos like this coming out all the time to help you build your online business, to create your brand, to grow your audience, generate leads, and make sales. So make sure to subscribe, hit the little bell button for notifications so that we can help you reach your goals. So first, let's talk about your brand. Now, your brand is really important when it comes to building a sustainable full-time income with affiliate marketing. Now, why is that? Think about the way affiliate marketing works. You make a recommendation on a product or a service, and then people make a decision to buy based on your recommendation. You know, they click your affiliate link, and then they pull out their credit card to purchase, and you get credit for the referral. So the key piece of this formula is that people trust your recommendation, and this is where your brand comes in. You want to build a brand and a reputation as the go-to person for a specific subject. So for example, we have built a brand around helping people start and build online businesses. Others have built brands around beauty and makeup or technology, photography, gaming, essential oils, weight loss, ketogenic dieting, and even things like knitting and quilting. Now, the people who are most successful at this, at what they do, build their brands around a specific subject. So think about what you want people to come to you for, okay? What do you want to help people do? What is it that you have a love or passion for that you would enjoy teaching others about? Now, it's really good if you already have some level of expertise in that subject, but honestly, you only really need an interest in it. Why is that? It's because what people are looking for the most is information from people who are like them. So for example, if I'm looking for information about DSLR cameras, I really don't care what a professional photographer would say about it, right? How they would use it. What I really want to know is what other moms are saying about a camera. For example, is it durable enough to survive a family with young kids? Is it easy to use? Does it take good pictures without having to adjust a bunch of settings? What features do other moms use and find most helpful? Is it easy to carry around in a purse? Things like that. And you don't need to be an expert to tell me those things. You just need to be someone who can talk to moms about what they want to know. For example, you may be a pet lover and you may want to help new pet owners train their new pets. If you are a homeschooling parent, you could help parents who are interested in homeschooling. If you're an accountant, you could help small business owners become more efficient with their bookkeeping and expenses. Or if you love the idea of making money online and learning more about internet marketing just gets you all excited, you can share some of the cool stuff that you're learning with others looking to get started. So step number 1, what you want to write down is a list of a few options for yourself. Options that you could see yourself getting excited about, you could see yourself talking about on a regular basis. Now, once you've done that, you'll be able to narrow down your list and make your choice. Number 2, once you've figured out your brand, it's just a matter of figuring out what products, services, or opportunities are out there that relate to that brand that you can promote as an affiliate. Think about what kinds of training, equipment, tools, support will be needed to help your audience along their journey. So if helping people with their pets is your thing, then a new pet owner could use all kinds of stuff. Physical products like a crate or kennel, training pads, reward treats, collars, leashes, chew toys, etc., etc., etc. And while those things are nice and you should write them down, as I previously mentioned in our $100 a day affiliate marketing blueprint video, you're going to get much higher commission rates and make more money with digital products. So how about looking for an online obedience class that you can recommend to your audience? 1-800-PetMed has an affiliate program. Chewy.com has an affiliate program. AnimalDen.com, SpoilMyKitty.com, ClassicHound.com, they all have affiliate programs. And there are tons of online pet training courses that are out there that you can become an affiliate of as well and make 20 to 40% commissions on. Now it's time to do some Googling. Obviously, it makes sense if you can simply refer people to products and programs that you're already using and like, but you may need to go out and seek some new products or programs and try them out to see if you can recommend them. When you find something that you want to recommend, you can often just snoop around on their website and see if you find an affiliate program program, or just do a Google search for an affiliate program for that company. Now, if you don't find anything, you can contact the company independently and ask them if you can be an affiliate and help them promote their products. If it's a physical product, you can always use Amazon's affiliate program. If you want to learn more about Amazon's program and how to sign up, we cover that in our introductory video, What is Affiliate Marketing? I'll make sure that it's one of the videos that pop up for you within the screen at the end of this video, so you can just click on it to check it out if you want to. But the best products to promote are going to be things that are centered around the brand that you are building and that have a common theme. That's really the key, because when you build a brand and build an audience of people with a common interest, that's when people keep coming back over and over again to you to buy stuff through your links time and time again. Now, if you want a recommendation for an awesome training program teaching you how to build an affiliate marketing business that also comes with a great affiliate marketing opportunity, simply click the link at the top of the description to learn more about it. It's our top recommended program for anyone serious about making a full-time income as an affiliate marketer. Now, I want to hear from you. What ideas are you kicking around for your brand or your offers? Comment to let us know. If you already know what direction you're heading, comment to let us know what your decision was. And finally, if you have any additional questions that are related to affiliate marketing and how to be successful, make sure to comment below, as we will definitely get back to you and answer those questions. Now be sure to give us a thumbs up and share this video with anyone who might find it helpful. Again, this is Leah Ray, and I'll see you soon.